Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at a couple of points and writing an equation in, again, slope-intercept form. So that is y equals mx plus b. So I'm given 2 points, and the first thing I need to find is the slope. And so, again, we go back to the slope formula, m equals, let's go 6 minus minus 2, 6 minus 2, because again, 6 is that y2, and I want to make that a 2. Nope, I want to make that blue, keep it blue. And this is y1. So we have y2 minus y1. So again, if you don't know slope, go back, watch that video again, and refresh your memory on slope. But then 4 is going to be x2. So we'll have 4 minus x1, which is 1. And so if we simplify this, 6 minus 4, or 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. The slope, and I'll do this in red, the slope is 4/3. And that's the important part. Now it's going to be a lot like example 6 was. We're going to come in, we're going to do y, and we can pick either of the y and x's that we want to. We just have to make sure that if we're going to pick the x1, y1, that we keep those points together. And if we want to pick the x2, y2, that we keep those points together. So I'm going to choose x1, y1. Let's just stick with that. So I'm going to have 2. Actually, let's make it in blue. So 2 equals 4/3 of, let's see here, 1 plus b. Okay, 4/3 times 1 is 4/3. And so we can rewrite this as 2 equals 4/3 plus b. And then we'll have 2 minus 4/3 equals b. Now, in order to do subtraction with fractions, you need to have the same denominators. And so I'm going to make the denominator 3. So I'm going to multiply the whole thing. No, I'll multiply the 2 by 3/3. And that'll give me 3 times 2, which is 6/3. And we think of 6/3, that is equal to 2, minus 4/3 equals b. And again, you can do 2 minus 4/3 on Desmos, and it should give you the same answer that I'm about to get. But 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, and we keep the denominator the same. And so b is equal to 2/3. And so our equation will be y equals that slope from the very beginning, 4/3. 4/3. Let's clean that up just a little bit. 4/3 x plus 2/3. And that's going to be our equation. Now, at this point, I want you to pause the video, see if you can do the second set of coordinate points, and then restart the video and see if you come up with the same thing that I did. Okay, so we'll start off with slope. Slope equals, we'll start off, this is y2, x2, and then this is y1, x1. So on our slope, we'll have 4 minus 4 minus negative 5 over, and I'm just going to abandon the colors because it takes less time. So negative 3 minus negative 4. And again, if you're not great with double negatives and all that stuff, just use Desmos. Make sure you have enough negatives in there. But 4 minus negative 5 is the same as 4 plus 5, which is 9. And then negative 3 minus negative 4 is the same as negative 3 plus 4, which is just positive 1. So our slope is 9. So we'll come back here. Y equals 9x plus b. And we'll substitute either one in there. I like the x2, y2 because there's less negatives. So we'll have 4 equals 9 times negative 3 plus b. And then 4 equals negative 27 plus b. And again, if you don't know 9 times negative 3, just use Desmos. We'll add 27 to both sides. And we'll end up with 31 equals b. So we'll end up with the equation y equals our slope, 9x plus 31. So that's going to be our second example. So hopefully that's what you got. If it's not, let me know. And we'll talk in class. Thanks. Bye.